از اینجا میایم اینجا که جاییه که ماشینتو پارک میکنی. اینم front entrance. میای تو. این قسمت نشیمن و های سیلینگ. میای میشینی اینجا. Wow, what is that? That's nice. Whatever it is. That's a waterfall in here که درست کردن.
Is there enough water in the tank?
Oh wow, look at that. How about that? That's nice. Well, nicer than that is here. You gotta just make sure that you don't hit that window. Yeah, this is open.
It's open.
Wow, and this is your balcony. Look at this thing.
So you have two direct volcano views.
That's one volcano. That's another one.
And then all the way back over there, you may see a
Oh yeah,
third
that's another
one there.
one.
Okay, then coming across is the Four Seasons Resort right there in the bottom.
Which one is it?
Straight ahead right there in the bottom.
Oh, that's Four Seasons.
That's
Okay.
Four Seasons in that area. And that one rock sitting all by itself out there is called Monkey Head.
Oh wow.
And it's called that because it looks like a monkey's face when you drive by it on a boat.
Okay.
I just
And-
put one out next.
And this is your.
This is one of two master suites.
And it's a master suite here. And this is your pool. Wow. So here probably is going to be another house, but it cannot obstruct your view. چیزیه که اینا میگن نمیتونه جلوی ویو تو بگیره. So this is one master. Wow. Wow. What a house.
Beautiful.
What a house.